Morning. Hello traders. Today is 19th of September 2010 and happy Sunday to you all. Today I want to talk about the smart trading. Okay, what is a smart trading? Because we hear all the time people talking about the smart trading. Today we will try to see how we can learn something about smart trading. Okay, smart trading is about to sell at the best place, okay, at the highest price, where the price is very expensive, okay, and rejected, okay. And also smart trading is about buying where the price is very cheap, okay, oversold in the proper sense of the world, not because the stochastic or any oscillator is oversold, but when the fundamental justify that a stock or a commodity or a currency is oversold. Very important, which means something that costs $100, okay, is now at the price of $25. That's excellent, good value, okay. So you justify that, and you know, you do your research, you do your calculation, you know that the value of this material is $100. Now it's at $25. You must buy. So smart trading is about buying at a good value at each time, okay. So because when we are trading, people try to switch off a bit. Now when we go to the supermarket, when we go to the shop, we try to switch on our what I call auction instant, because when you go to the shop, you look at every material, you compare the price, you go to different shop, you look on the internet, and then you choose the best value for yourself. People naturally are doing that all the time, but when it comes to trading, people forget that. So when you are about to trade, you're looking at the price, you're going to sell, look for the highest price when you know that now the price is expensive, okay. Another way that you can do that is to have the high of the previous day and the low of the previous day drawn on your chart, okay. So you see the price approaching the high of the previous day, you observe carefully the reaction of the price at that time, okay, especially in a downtrend. So in a downtrend, okay, because we know that the price is going down, we will observe the next day if the price approaching the high of the previous day, because in a downtrend the price should not be displaying a higher high, but it should be displaying a lower high and lower low. So what we do, we draw the high of the previous day, okay, and the low of the previous day. If we are in a downtrend, repeat, always pay attention to the trend. If we are in a downtrend, because when you see something on the internet, people try and do it in a wrong way. Do not apply this in a wrong way, otherwise you will not get anything out of it. In a downtrend, you draw the high and the low of the previous day, okay. And if we are in a downtrend, we will observe the reaction of the price in the region of the high of the previous day, because the price should not display a higher high in a downtrend. So when the price approaches the high of the previous day in a downtrend, and we see clearly that it has been rejected and the trend line is broken, it gives us a very clear cut sell signal. We will happily take it. If we are approaching the low of the previous day in a downtrend, we will expect the price to break it, because in a downtrend, in a valid downtrend, the price must create a new low. This is about smart trading in a downtrend. We want to, when we want to sell, we want to sell when the price is truly expensive, okay, and reject it, okay. It's not because it's expensive, it's expensive and then rejected, which means the trend line is broken. We know that the bear has taken control. Very important, because there are two people in this market. Some are buying, some are selling all the time. All the time you are buying, somebody is selling. Anytime you are selling, somebody is buying. Be aware of that, okay? This is about smart trading, okay? In the uptrend, the price, we know that must display higher high and higher lows in the uptrend till it fails to display a higher high. Simple definition. Now, how do we smart trade? How smart traders approach it at the uptrend? In the uptrend, we will draw again the high of the previous day and the low of the previous day. These two levels, we will observe them carefully. Where is the best place to buy when you are smart trading in the uptrend? is to buy when a price drop below the low of the previous day, which means now the price is too cheap because it shouldn't create a lower low in the uptrend. So we will realize straight away that this is a very cheap moment to buy, okay? But we do not just jump and buy. We watch the price after it break the low of the previous day, which is not supposed to do in a uptrend, in a true uptrend. Once it break the low of the previous day, we will observe carefully and see something strange is happening here. So we will see clearly if other traders will come in, if other buyers will come in and jump on it and buy. And right away you will see when the trend is broken, the price are running fast. You know that the smart traders are coming to the market because they know that the price is in the uptrend. It shouldn't create a lower low. Now it has created a lower low, and the trend line is now broken. Everybody is jumping on it and buy. This is about smart trading. I hope you learned something from this video that you will put into practice and in order to maximize your profit and start in like professional trading. This video is primarily for our TRICKS.avi traders, those who are using our trading system, okay, a simple tool but a powerful tool in order to build our ability to trade like professional traders, because all of us as a TSTW24 traders, our goal is to compete with the professional traders, not to show them disrespect, but to follow them and to learn from them and to copy them and know that these are the people that are controlling the market, making a huge amount of money. Maybe we will get also our portion, okay? So this is about smart trading. Is to summarize carefully everything before I summarize this for you about smart trading. The market does not always trend. This is one of the problems also new traders are facing every day. The market does not trend all the time, especially in the first week of the month where the week is fully packed with news, and that is moving. Some professionals will just stay home or go and play their golf, and the market will just consolidate the whole week, the first week of the month. Okay, these are very important moment. And also the first day of the week, which is Monday, usually the price will go up in when London, or go down when London is open, and then retrace back to where it belongs to when New York open, and then just stack, and then you will see usually the trend will start after London session is closed at 5 p.m. London time, and before you will experience. That's why Tuesday is better time to come into the market. So the market does not trend all the time. So we want to this strategy that I'm talking about smart trading is valid in the uptrend, a valid uptrend, and a valid downtrend. If the market is consolidating, we use oscillator buying at the edge of the Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band, and then we define two levels, okay? The level of resistance, the level of support. If you want to know, you can watch our video about consolidation, how you trade it, okay? So you apply that also. So this is about smart trading. To summarize this, in the uptrend, the price might display higher high and higher low till it fails to display a higher high. Because sometimes people forget that when a trend is about to end, a lot of people do not know. They don't pay attention to it, okay? When you become a TSTW34 trader, we will equip you so that you know and realize you don't make that mistake again, coming in and buy late or buy into a key resistance level. Okay, you don't want to do that. Okay, so this is you locate clearly the high and the low of the previous day, and then you draw that on your chart. Because the price going up is in the uptrend, you expect it to break the high of the previous day and to create a new high. And the best place to buy in the uptrend is when the price come near the low of the previous day, or better if it break below it, only to come back above it. Okay, confirmed by volume, of course. Okay, you will see the smart trader come and check your volume, and quickly you are nicely rewarded. In a downtrend also, the price must display lower low and lower high till it fails to display a lower low. So the best way to sell in a downtrend is when the price is approaching the high of the previous day, because it shouldn't display new high. Okay, so we want to sell when the price is high too expensive, which means it goes a bit above the high of the previous day, which means this is too expensive, but we do not quickly jump on it and sell. We will sell whether the price is rejected there after it becomes expensive in a downtrend. Okay, and then the trend line is broken, and then we sell. This is about smart trading. Smart trading is about value trading. Sometimes you have to go to the balance sheet, check all the fundamental, okay, compare, okay, the cash flow of that company to the short-term engagement that they have to pay, the short-term debt. If the short-term debt is higher than the cash flow, you know that the company does not have too long to live, and then you take advantage of that in order to sell. Okay, and also same thing, if you want to buy, you want to compare the net asset value of that company to the cash flow of that business and the product they are creating, the economic environment, and the sector also, and especially you have to watch the S&P 500, the leading indices. I hope this video is useful to you, that you will put it into practice in order to achieve consistent winning trade. If you want to join us, you need to go to www.stochastic-magdi.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.